Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, after the 3 days of bullishness, the market was a little bit mixed on Tuesday as traders are now digesting Australia's monthly consumer price index, which rose by 2.3% in the year to November and up from 2.1 increase in October. According to the Australian Bureau of Statistics released on Wednesday, showed that the market had forecast 2.2% growth for the reported period. Meanwhile, there is much anticipation as the focus looks to Friday's non-farm payrolls report, which expects 154,000 jobs added, while the unemployment rate looks to 4.2%. There's also the FOMC meeting minutes later today, so keep an eye on that as well. So with the rejection to the top side, the market needs to close above 62.45 to support the rally on to 62.80 to 63.5 and reassess from there, with any weakness support seen at 61.75. Turning to the euro, the market found a bit of supply coming back in as the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, rebounds to 108.60, driven by economic data that raised uncertainty about the future direction of interest rates in the US. And also investors are closely watching Donald Trump's second term. Turning to the technicals though, the market is a little bit to the mixed side, but still waiting for the break above 104.0515, and then that would give a forecast to 105 to 106, with support seen at 103.2030. Well, the bulls return for dollar yen as the market looks back towards that level of 158. I feel that the technicals are somewhat showing bearish divergence, a weak MACD, so I am a little bit optimistic about how high this market can go. May find resistance at 158.80, and if so, a downturn is expected, and look towards 156.70, 75 and reassess. Turning to sterling, the market rallied at the broad downtrend, which comes in around 125.40.80 and rejected, and from there the market is a little bit to the weak side. Nevertheless, if the support can hold around 124.35.45, then we may see another test of the top side, and a break here could view up towards 127. Wrapping up with commodities, well, the market is still holding relatively firm when it comes to gold and looking to the top side level around 2,653 to 2,666. Now, there is much talk for this year that gold could reach $3,000 an ounce, so no doubt any dips likely to receive bargain hunters return around the region of 2,620 to 40 area. And focusing back on oil, we can see that the market's back challenging that level of $74 a barrel. And given the fact we saw a rejection from there, may again see profit taking. There is a bit of divergence here, so I'm a little bit cautious as the market trades higher. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report and hope you enjoy the great start to the day.